Da kajing tmu banyale banrat ding kong ya kajing de bi an ya udrong ki pulet ANTF hagas ni palai jong katayo kilayo ban kurup ya udrox uba arspa andrew popra point hinyo powai gram bat ya kapisa andrew lak pra poinyo hajar shispa san potengka nakisawngot ki badan kti hakaban de drox bi an hakashnong lom so po Lower Mawprem bat hakan ni kajing khanra ki pulet kilakem no ru ya kini kisawngot bakan thop ru ya kawai kalong kami
Performance ni kipulet jongka anti narcotics task force rengkat bat kipulet jongka thanat lumding jeri kileo kami we nong de drugs na jan ka office jongka KHADC bat naga met jong ne nong de drugs layo kurup yo drugs heroin ubala thap apo kisan teli kisendok ubadan 100.0 gram kipulet kila kurup ru ik arteli mobile phone bat eka kali kabla pendon kam do ne nong de drugs Hadin kania kipulet kila beteng man penlong ya kejing kenra haba kilayo kejing tip ki bapaka halor kejing de drugs hakasnong lom sopo Lower Mawprem. Hagani kejing kenra kipulet kilayo kam ki sawngut ki nong de drugs ki bagentop ya arngut kisenrang bad arngut ki kenthai. Bad kawai ni kini ki kenthai kedai kabadang ai bunyi khon ibadang red. Kipulet kilayo kurup ya drugs heroin ubadan arspa andro pupra point nyo iwai gram kapisa nrulak prapunyo hajar sispa san potengka Nyau teli mobile phone, nreup teli syringe, nekiternia injection, bat kisendok tap drugs ki beteli. Kipulet hadian bagi lakem kelapan ngan ikine baro apo ki kendon an, halor kejing dan keti bande be nyau drugs, bat kejing toket iki kadang ya ceprang.
So we have realized the gravity of the problems in the states, and we also came to know that the most of the drug traffickers, after getting bail from the court, they again indulge in drug trafficking. So repeated offenders are there. So we decided to utilize PIT NDPS Act 1985, where there is a provision of preventive detention. So we have submitted 10 number of proposals to the government. These proposals are under considerations. Government has already constituted advisory board. Then after the proposals, once it is approved, then we can straightway detain those repeated offenders and send them to jail even if there is no recovery, because there is a provision of preventive detentions. So you will be surprised that our 99% seizures are of small quantity, not the commercial quantity. As per NDPS, narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances are categorized in 3 categories. That is a small quantity, commercial quantity and in-between quantity. So yesterday night we have conducted very good operation and we have seized 270 gram of heroin and we have recovered nearly 7 lakh rupees cash and also arrested 4 persons. So that will be the commercial quantity. They will be booked under different section because for commercial quantity section is different. For opium and psychotropic substances, the same provision is there, categorization by the government, notification is there. So accordingly, 99% seizure is of small quantity. The drug traffickers are very smart. They know the legal provision. So that is why even if they receive the drugs in the commercial quantity, they divide it in such a way that seizure becomes small and they can take the advantage of the legal provisions like that. So for consumers also in NDPS Act there is a provision, special provision is there under section 27 NDPS Act. If anybody is consuming drugs, so he is equally liable for punishment. Case can be registered against him under section 27 and the maximum provision is for punishment is 1 year.
Director General Kipulet Kejela Dr. LR Bishnoi ulong bahak ni kinru benai kiblalet katanat pulet kalapen kenya ke rekod hakabayadai bat kejeng yo kurup yo drugs hakini kisan posnem kiblalet. Nu hek pulet ulong bakajing de drugs kam shemlalong tang he kejakasor nrewat hakitan nong kendong. Bat katanat pulet kelasem khia bha bantek lakam kejeng khai be anyo drugs hakajela. Ule tho ba katanat pulet kalapha aru ikejing terwa ki badan chpo teligi mat chakasor kar jela bat kini mentai kidang don hapadeng kejing kemi bnia pala thungru ya advisory board bat lada kini kejing terwa ki yo ikejing menjur ibreu ke baju mlien ban de drugs kin syakem bat cha thap apatok walada amyo ban kurup drugs nakiru ulong shosho bagade ka kamram jo iwe nong sang ke jela ban pendukut u kenjeri jong kajing de bat kejing thiet yo drugs.
But there is an exception here. If suppose drug addicts voluntarily agree before the court, that I am ready to undergo the treatment, in de-addiction center, then court generally they consider it and they don't forward the drug addict into the jails. Then they can be shifted to the drug de-addiction center for the further treatment. So now we have realized that our cases are failing in the court because of the procedural lapses by the investigating officer at various stages during the investigation. So we have constituted a supervisory committee under the chairman of the SPCID, along with the additional SP law and order members and the DSP CID members and the inspector of NDPS cells member. This committee, they will call every fortnightly all the IOs with the case diary and meticulously supervise the investigation process so that our cases should not fail in the court and prosecution can be ascertained against the culprits. So in that way, our monitoring will be more smooth and streamlined. We have been facing some problems from the FSL examinations also, because as per government notification, once the samples are seized, they have to be forwarded to the FSL for examination within 72 hours. And after the spot seizure, under the supervision of the court, samples should be seized in the presence of magistrate, and then it should be sent to FSL within 72 hours. So, because our many equipments were not there, fortunately, we have received 1.5 crore rupees equipment recently. So, hopefully, the situation will ease now. But as an alternative, I have taken up the matter with the DGP Mizoram, and they agreed to assist us because their FSL laboratory is more streamlined. So, we have started sending sample to the Aizol FSL, and we have been receiving the results also, so that the culprits should not get the default bail because of delay in the FSL examination, etc. Our Guwahati, we have sent certain sample to Guwahati, but that is taking lot of time for examination report, and because of that, many culprits, they got the bails. And thirdly, the interstate gang has become more active. Out of the total arrest, nearly 25% drug traffickers were arrested who are not native of Meghalaya. They are native of Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Assam, Arunachal, Punjab, Bihar and Bengal. So we are coordinating with the other states because the problem is mammoth. And as per expert, those who are expert in this domain, the seizure throughout India is the tip of the iceberg only. So if it is so, then you can realize the gravity of the problem in the state of Meghalaya.
Director General ki Pudet ula pentep bala register khandru teli ki mokot duma bala kem hendrup kandai ngut ki beriau ha kapor badan ka election MLA ha kejela. Ulaong ba khat lai teli ki mokot duma ki dei ki belajar ha syua banlong ki election bat lai teli ki dei ki belajar hadin ki election. Bat nagini ki bala syakem san pun riu ngut kila syakem ha syua banlong ki election kat ba khat lai ngut kila syakem hadin beladap ke election. Ki pulet kapor election kili kurup Gram Pisa balai poin not hendreu keluar tengka kakiat ke basyongdor iwei poin kendai san keluar tengka udrox ubasyongdor kat ar keluar tengka kaksiar ke basyongdor lai pulak tengka bat kijing ai sungubha ke basyongdor lai pulak tengka. DIG Eastern Range Davis NR Marak uletho bagi pulet kidang thubet jor ki arngut ki beriau ke bela subajor bagi dei ki badan keti hagaban peniap pathar ya uba omeka merthong ya ke belalap ekamet yap jungu narut kepung umyam. Davis NR Marak uletho bakladan arngut ki perlok jong uba omeka ke beladan rengkat lang bat ndai kini ki arngut haduk menta ki lepet ri. Uletho bo ni orang ba ubala sya peniap ulaja nado ka arpun ro tarik urempang ndai lawan ujor ki pulet haga lai tarik uleber. Unu hep pulit ulong bahaba kliok jing tep ulong kene jingja la ujor daka 0 FIR haga tanat umyam. Bat kumta la raano ekene kamokot duma syaka tanat lumding jeri. Bat ka jing toket kanang yat syakmat ban tebet jor yaki arngot ki bala pet dri.